Good morning guys from Montreal. So I didn't film yesterday's travel day just because it was a short little bus ride and I thought I'd give myself the day off from filming, which is allowed every now and again. So today I'm just wandering around, seeing what there is in Montreal. Looks absolutely gorgeous so far and just really excited to see what's around. So Montreal also has the nickname called the City of Saints. There are churches after churches after churches, but of course there's one church in particular that stands out above all the rest. So behind me is the Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal, and it was built in 1829 and it still remains to this day as the biggest church in North America. But it looks really good on the outside. Wait until you see the inside. Over 600 religious institutions here. 200 of them are Catholic churches, all the rest are chapels and basilicas, cathedrals. There's loads of them. Watching this video. If you did, make sure you leave us a like, comment and also hit subscribe down below as well. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.